This is Peg Maloney from Remax Real Estate Group. I am in the kitchen at our office because what we're going to talk about today is adding value to your home by upgrading your kitchen and your bathroom. This one isn't too awful bad. The first thing that you need to do is paint. Wash your walls and paint. That's going to make all the difference in the world. Just get your kitchen to shine. And then, you know, not the cheap paint, because that will leave marks and fingerprints get on there. There's no. The other thing is faucets. They've got some really neat stuff now. Go up to Home Depot. It's not too awful expensive. If you have windows in your kitchen, put on some fresh curtains. The other thing is the kitchen floor. Now more and more people are going with wood floors, ceramic floors. Some of them are very beautiful. If you can't afford it, then just get a really good looking vinyl floor. You know, just something new and nice. This is if you're upgrading to, you know, try to sell your house. Kitchen cabinets, countertops, these are all things that will add value. If you're going to upgrade your appliances, make sure they're a good one. I read someplace that if you're going to upgrade to just one thing, make one thing really good, and then the rest will fall in line. But keep harmony and color and style and that kind of thing. We're going to go on to the bathroom just a second. Okay, we've moved on to the bathroom. Does it sound like I'm in a tunnel in here? Anyways, if you're going to upgrade before you do anything else, make sure you do the paint. And again, good paint, not the cheap stuff. If you're going to do some basic remodeling, countertops, replacing those old-fashioned under-the-counter cabinets and stuff like that goes a long way. Again, those faucets, if you've got the old brass ones, switch over to the nickel, the silver, things like that. The floor, again, people are going with ceramics. They're even going with wood in some cases, but ceramic is probably the one of choice. Carpeting in a bathroom is really kind of out now, but you know, a lot of people still like it. You never know. So those are two things to help you get going on updating your house. Doesn't have to cost you a lot of money. You can spend a lot if you want to. If you're a handyman, do it yourself. Good grief, painting is easy and kind of fun. Anyways, I hope you have a great day, and I'll be talking with you soon.